day to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on group lecture number 9, in which I will discuss on congruent modulo and addition modulo. Now we define congruent modulo M. Let A and B be two integers and M be a fixed positive integer. Then we say that A is congruent to B modulo M if A minus B is divisible by M, which is denoted by symbol A congruent B modulo M. Let we have two integers, (19 and 13). 19 minus 13 equal to 6, which is divisible by 2 or 3 or 6. We may write (19 congruent 13 modulo 2). Here 19 minus 13 is divisible by 2. 19 minus 13 equal to 6, which is divisible by 2. Or 19 congruent 13 modulo 3. 19 minus 13, 6, is divisible by 3. Or 19 congruent 13 modulo 6. (19 minus 13 equal to 6). 6 is divisible by 6. Now we define addition modulo M. Let A and B be two integers and M be any fixed integer. Then addition modulo M is denoted by A addition modulo M B and defined as A addition modulo M B equal to R is greater than equal to 0, less than M, where R is the least non-negative remainder when A plus B is divided by M. For example, let we have 15 addition modulo 3 1. Here 15 plus 1 equal to 16, and if we divide 16 by 3, remainder is 1. Therefore we write 15 addition modulo 3 1 equal to 1. Again, addition modulo 3 2. Here 15 plus 2 equal to 17, and if we divide 17 by 3, remainder is 2, and we write (15) addition modulo 3 2 equal to 2. Here 2 is the least non-negative remainder when 15 plus 2 equal to 17 is divided by 3. Now, relation between congruent modulo m and addition modulo m. Let a and b be two integers and m is any fixed positive integer. Then a congruent b modulo m is denoted by a congruent b modulo m, implies that a minus b is divisible by m. If we divide a minus b by m, let quotient be q and remainder becomes 0. Therefore, a minus b equal to qm implies that a equal to b plus qm. Let c be any other integer. Now, a addition modulo m c equal to, in place of a we write b plus qm addition modulo m c equal to the least non-negative remainder when b plus qm plus c is divided by m equal to the least non-negative remainder when b plus c is divided by m. Here we have not taken the term qm, as since qm is divisible by m, so leaves 0 remainder. Which is equal to b addition modulo m c. This is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we get a congruent b modulo m implies that a addition modulo m c equal to b addition modulo m c. Example, since 15 congruent 1 modulo 7, because 15 minus 1 equal to 14 is divisible by 7. Now 15 addition modulo 7, 8 equal to, this is 15 plus 8, 23. When 23 is divided by 7, remainder is 2. Again, since 15 is congruent 1 modulo 7, we take now 1. 1 addition modulo 7, 8. Here 1 plus 8 equal to 9, and when 9 is divided by 7, remainder is 2. So 15 congruent 1 modulo 7 implies that 15 addition modulo 7, 8 equal to 1 addition modulo 7, 8. Let B addition modulo M C equal to R implies that R is the least non-negative remainder when B plus C is divided by M. If B plus C is divided by M, let quotient be Q and remainder be R. Therefore, B plus C equal to QM plus R implies that B plus C minus R equal to QM. That is, B plus C minus R is divisible by M, which means B plus C congruent R modulo M implies that B plus C is congruent. R means B addition modulo M, C modulo M. Now let we have A addition modulo M, B addition modulo M, C. This will be equal to A addition modulo M. Since B addition modulo M C is congruent to B plus C, so in place of this we may write B plus C. Since we have seen that if A is congruent to B modulo M, then in place of A we write B. So in place of B addition modulo MC, we write B plus C, as B plus C is congruent B addition modulo M, C modulo M. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.